My God, Mom.
Yeah, I think
How much
I
have
need
we
to just.
eaten?
I think I need to just pass out.
We are like, you've attacked.
You want to fall asleep on
Yeah.
the sofa?
Yeah.
I think
But
it's
nah.
3 cheat meals.
Oof.
Oof.
Crazy.
The
Enjoy
bhuna
that
chicken,
meal? Ah.
the mutton.
Crazy. That mutton, my God. Love it.
Okay, folks, now we have come to the last part
Superb.
and we are going to have a answering machine round.
Okay. What is this?
Name is the answering machine is that I'm going to ask you questions. Some are easy, some are not. Whoever wins the round gets the hamper.
Superb.
So who's going to get
Okay,
it?
I'm
okay.
gonna-
I'm going
No, no, I'm
to
gonna-
I'm winning it. I don't care. I'm
Suddenly
going
that
to
sleep
win
is
it.
gone out of the window.
Done. Done. I'm going to win it.
Okay.
Come on.
So let's start the
Start
round.
the
okay?
round.
I'm going to start with asking Sussanne the first question.
Okay.
Who is the producer who has produced all of Jacky's 6 films?
His father,
That's so
obviously.
easy. That's such an easy one.
Bhagnani, I know him.
Well, some are going to be easy, some are going to be
Okay.
difficult.
Okay, done.
Okay, now, what does Sussanne do professionally?
Mommy, this is too
Furniture.
easy.
She designs furniture, charcoal.
Yeah.
Charcoal project.
Slow to difficult,
Yeah,
so
okay,
just
okay.
take it easy. Which pop star's dancing style did Jacky get famous for in his film?
I would say that I think Jacky has a lot of Michael Jackson in him.
No, you're wrong.
Then who?
The answer is Psy Gangnam Style.
We had done like a Desi Gangnam style, which was Opa Gangnam style. Yeah.
I must say you're a great dancer in
Yeah.
any case, period.
Fab.
Anyway, Sussanne has 3 siblings in chronological order, the names of the 3.
Yeah. This is very, very difficult. Farah, Simone, Zayed.
Very silly
This was-
question, Mummy.
Too
All
easy.
the questions to
Actually,
me
all
are very
yes.
tough.
But what
No, but
And to
Auntie's
him,
been-
they're very
Auntie-
easy.
Auntie's
I
been
have
sweet
to
to me.
say, you're family. so I've
Yeah,
got
but
to
that's
be-
not fair. Even I want the hamper, yeah.
No, I'll give you one.
You give me,
One something,
you
one.
give me this from it.
Okay, now the difficult ones are coming, huh? Both of you, I'm going to ask you questions simultaneously and you will give me the answer. Whoever gives it fastest
Okay.
gets the
Okay,
it's
like
like-
a buzzer round.
Yeah, okay. No Indian wedding is complete without a dessert, whether it's
Kheer.
a Hindu, Muslim or Sikh. What is the name?
The gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Yeah. I said for kheer.
Jalebi. Kheer.
He said kheer
Ah,
first.
kheer.
How many types of gourds, that is the Karela, do we have in India? And what, can you name at least 3?
Karela.
Okay, yeah. There's bitter gourd. There
clearly
is
I'm going to lose this.
there's bitter gourd, yellow gourd. I don't know. I don't know the other 2, but I know
Okay.
that there's bitter gourd.
There are actually 3.
Yeah.
One is bitter gourd,
Yeah.
the other is ridge gourd, and the third is snake gourd, which is parval.
Okay, but I
These
never
called
knew.
bottle- I never knew that.
knew
I
that they were
never
all
knew.
the same family
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, actually, that's a little
Little,
tough
very
question.
tough
you know,
That's a
question.
very
Very
Yeah.
tough question.
Why is cheese eaten at the end of the meal?
This is very easy because I am this walking, talking nutritionist now. You eat cheese at the end of the meal because it kind of closes your stomach. You know, it's like the finisher.
What are you saying? Really?
Yeah, because,
What do
you
you
know,
mean by closes the stomach?
As in it helps digest the food and stuff like that.
How do you keep your shoe leather clean and soft? Which fruit or vegetable?
Helps in keeping the
God,
thing
Yes.
this is
clean.
the first time I'm
Soft
hearing
I've
this.
and
never
clean.
heard
Huh?
this in my life.
Uh,
So, like, could it be like,
Lime?
yeah,
Lime,
lemon?
because lime generally
lemon?
you use to
No.
clean.
Lemon, or could it be potato? Is it
Yes.
potato?
How did you get that?
Potato, I thought
Answer.
potato was only used for aloo ka paratha.
No. I mean, like, if you see it in, like, potato is starch, right? And starch absorbs things, right? So,
would
I
have
mean,
never
so
guessed
I think that we
I
have to
think
put,
that was a fluke
we have to put
answer she gave.
potatoes in our shoe cabinet. It'll absorb all the moisture.
Yes.
My
So let's start
God,
from
good one.
today.
Come
Which
on.
vegetable is 91% water?
This is very-
Coconut. No, it's not a vegetable.
This is cabbage.
Wow!
Yeah, it is.
God,
Yeah, you got
this
it.
is
See,
true.
any
It's
health-related stuff, I'm
True.
super with
I
that.
must
true,
say, you
true.
got
Fab,
it. huh?
fab.
Health-related
Too
He
stuff.
deserves it
What
now.
do I do if
Yeah.
both of you become
Yeah.
equal? You'll have to
Yeah,
share the
yeah,
hamper.
okay.
Which 2 fruits have their seeds on the outside?
Yeah, okay. Obviously, pineapple.
No.
Strawberry.
You're right that it's strawberries, but what is the other one?
I have no clue.
The seed on the outside.
I don't know. I have no clue. Give up on the other one.
What about you? Should you give
Coconut?
up?
No.
No.
I give up. I give
Yeah.
up.
Cashews.
But how does cashews have a seed on the
because
outside?
cashew with the
But
seed has
cashew is a
that.
nut, right?
No, cashews, yes,
behave
but
like
it's
one.
outside.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last question.
The fruit of the
Which
decade.
fruit won the fruit of the decade?
Which fruit won the fruit of the decade? I don't know. Like banana? No.
No.
It could be a... Banana also has so many purposes.
I'm blanking out. I don't know which fruit has so many. Okay, like
no, no,
jackfruit. Jackfruit.
No.
No, that's me.
Jackfruit. That's a lovely name for you. It's so cute.
No, I've read this. My trainer was telling me. It's also good fat.
Yes.
Arey.
Avocado. Avocado.
You got it together?
Yeah.
So what do I
Avocado.
do now? Because
Because-
you've come equal.
So now you,
So
you
we-
give it to him. I'll pull what I want from his bag, from the hamper. No?
Okay,
Yeah.
take this.
I'll take this and give it to Jackky. What do I do?
Well, you can share half-half.
Come on, Jackky.
Thank
this
you.
Is for you and me. Lovely.
Superb.
Okay, so this all is mine.
Which one?
This is mine. This one.
I'll keep
Okay,
this-
don't fight so much. I know you are very good friends. Since you have been so sweet, there's a hidden hamper.
Oh,
Second one.
That's so
you
sweet.
you
Wow.
can take two.
Thank
One
you.
each now. Take this.
Superb. So now I don't need to share any.
Yeah,
Now
you
you don't need to share. This is mine. That's yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Auntie.
you,
Pleasure,
Mom. Thank
pleasure.
you so much.
All
I'm going to
three of
start.
us
Can
are
I open this
lovely.
in the car
Of
itself?
course, you can start eating right now if you want.
Okay, let's open it.
No.
Thank you.
Catch me with my recipes and celebrity guests on Spices and Secrets.